welcome to Jack Plays today. Me and Isla will be playing Animal Shelter.
Yeah.
Cat or dog?
Cat.
Right. Yeah. Right. Let's use. Walkie, walkie, walkie. And there's a computer. Okay, computer. Oh, that's a build mode.
Yes.
Ow, ow. It's taken. Let's take a pet. How do I? Let's see which one's pets to take in. Trigger. Tigger. I want to change it to
Lily.
Lily. Yes, Lily. Oh, we took the bit. Is the kitty in here, do you think? Hello?
Yes.
Well, this cat. Are we sure this cat is okay?
There's Lily. Let's take Lily to our enclosure.
Why did it show a dog?
It's
a cat area found.
It's a cat, not a dog.
Yes. Let's go and get some
Jack,
water
do you know how to spell Lily? It's
Yeah, just put the box to the floor. Where's the shop? Is this a shop? Let's buy 5 of those. 5 of those. Let's confirm the order. Let's order. They're sold out. We're not here.
No, we don't have any packages. We can't.
Hello? Where's the truck? Oh!
No, you get it.
Was there a drone? No.
Yes, that was.
Let's go fill the water and the food, not the ground. Water. Why was it not? It wasn't even in the. How do we get the food? To. Oh, the kitty's drinking. And I want to get off this. Yeah, that's better. Okay, animal needs. Let's see. What's your info? She's very hungry. Yes. How do we? Yes. She looks very, very hungry. Let the pet finish eating its meal.
Does.
And then we're gonna pet the cat. Use a laser to play with it. Is it done yet? Takes a little bit to eat. Oh, it's done. Right. Should we get a little bit more close? It's okay. Here's a rub. Nice wobby. Right. I choked it. I think we need to go and buy a laser. Go and buy a laser. Run past our box. In the shop again, do you think? Toys, I think. Nope, it's not here. They're sold out!
No! We need stuff for our...
Do we have like laser them?
Cat.
Hello?
Really?
I don't think we have a laser. Maybe we have like a laser hiding somewhere. Let's go and look. It's the laser. Have you seen the laser? Oh, there's a laser. Ah, kitty. Yeah, run after it.
Jack, how funny do you have to be?
We have to order a camera. Where's the kitty? Should I put it back in the cage, Isla?
Yeah.
You know, I don't think I should. Yeah, let's go and get a camera. Ah! Camera, camera, camera. Right, let's do the shot. We got an instant print camera. Let's confirm these orders. 200 for camera. No, that's not really a lot for camera. Let's get. Is this the camera box? No, that's not the camera box. I'm gonna take my box. Hey, I want my camera back. Yes, I know how to take a photo. It's a photo. Take a photo. Great. How do I? No. Oh, enter photo mode. Zoom. It's a wild kitty out in the wildness. How do I get out? Yep, that's how I get out. Bye, kitty. I probably should put you back in the cage, but I'm not gonna do that. What's this? Scanner. Let's take a picture of the scanner. We've got to do something. Let's hold and drop. How do we... Okay. Gallery? Scan the photo you have made by using a scanner located next to the computer in your office. Oh! We have a picture! No wonder it's called an instant print picture. What's this? Use the computer. We need to make a campaign. Share. No. Ow! How do we need to get something. Animals in the shelter. Can we like create an ad? Yes. Upload photo. Yes, the lily photo, the wild cat. Let's create an ad. Oh, hello there. More info. Please. More info. Yes, I want to go and see. I want to go and see if this person's alright. She looks happy. If you ask me, yeah. Cats in the house. Okay. But happy and trustful. I don't see any of this being good. Is it a match? I don't think so. Let me disco. No, let's go back. Oh, we have a girl. She seems sad. Her desired traits are trustful, funny. Let's send in. Was this a boy? I can't really tell. Yeah, I think it's a boy. But so we need. But the thing is, noisy, sociable, and okay. Dogs. Nope. This person. Nope. There's a dog in the house. But there's cats in the house. I wonder which one do you think it is, Isla?
Brian.
Oh, the top one. Okay, let's match these two. Yeah. Right. Let's go and wait for our friend to be here. Ah, he must be in this vehicle. What is he in the car? Right, let's get Lily, I guess. I say bye-bye to Lily.
Bye, Lily.
Wait for the car to leave. Go, Akira. Did he just leave the door like half open? Let's see. Awesome. Yes, we got. Yes, 125% reputation. Yeah. Another achievement. Okay. Let's get another cat, shall we? Let's get a new cat. Let's get the new cat. Pets taken. Should we get a good cat? The one that's got like a full heart. Which one's we gonna get? But this one? Which cat, Sila? I want to get Kitty.
Yeah, Kitty.
Keep Kitty. Okay, these are our.
Sophie. And why don't we get Charlie?
We need to go and get the
Why
one.
can't we get Charlie?
We need to go and get the one from outside in the truck.
Oh.
Right, let's go and give her a home. This looks exactly like the Lily that we just sold. Are we all not sure that they chucked away the Lily? I think they chucked away Lily. No, water, Jack, not food. That cat last time ate a lot. Let's leave her to do that. Let's go and get another kitty. Run for the door. Run. Right. What cat we getting? Should we get Sophie then?
Yeah.
Sophie! I like how the rest says, this shelter does not require the requirements because there is no more cells. Let me get this new cat.
Cells? Are you in prison?
Yes, it is prison now.
No.
It's cat prison. Ha!
No, it's not.
They are cages for cats, though, like so.
The
Isn't it
cages.
isn't that pretty much prison? Yeah, stay in the cage, naughty cat. Are you full? Let's pet our little friend. Pet. Yeah. Strokey squokey. Yes. Right, let's go and play with her. Yeah?
Yes.
Kitty, get the laser.
On the wild.
Yay! That way. This way.
Jack, you're funny.
Trini is small running. My laser! Mine. I want it, not the cat. Cat, get it. Get it.
What is wrong with you, Jack?
Jump up here, jump up there. Yeah, jump for it.
Jack,
Chicken
what?
for cat?
Jack, what is wrong with you?
I don't know. Right, let's let this cat back in. No, let's just get both of them out here to play. That sounds more fun. Because then it's a competition.
You haven't petted that one.
Oh yeah, I forgot to. Give she a pet. Petty, petty, petty. Petty, petty, petty. This one doesn't need petting. This one was having fun sitting inside its cage. Yes. Stroke everywhere. Oh, it's thinking about the laser. What about you, Mrs.
Kitty.
Oh, she's thinking about a pet. Yes. Yes, you get a pet. Right. Who wants to play with lasers?
Me.
Laser time, boys! Sophie, please come on.
Come on, Sophie.
Kitty wants another stroke. Kitty wants another stroke.
Kitty.
That's fat.
This one is fun.
Maybe it's pregnant.
He's
That one
thinking.
is.
Oh, he wants
That
a
one
laser.
is fat.
That one wants a laser now. Oh no, that's Sophie that wants the laser. What does this one want? Kitty, that's... Yeah, Kitty just wants a big stroke. I think we need to get Kitty out of here, really. Kitty's gonna be going home soon, look. Well, she's gonna get her home.
Yeah, and so
She just
Well-
loves strokes.
Sophie.
Right, Kitty. I'm gonna pick you up very weird. Eat. You hungry? No, she's fine.
Kitty is fat.
Sophie, chase it, Sophie. Whee, Sophie's fast. Meow. We need to make Sophie fun. She tries to run into Kitty's cage. It closes on her. What does she want? She wants a stroke. You want a stroke? Yeah, stroke. They like their strokes, don't they? Isla?
Yeah.
Yeah, take a stroke. Oh, she wants to play with the laser. Zoom. Run around, run around, run around, run around. We need to take a photo, not of Sophie, she's still not lovable yet. Poor Sophie. She wants food? What does that say? Does it say food? I can't read.
What?
Sophie! What do you want? What do you think that is?
Have I answered?
Oh. Well, I can't remember. But let's go. We need to go. I forgot I have my camera right here, don't I? Let's get the camera. Right. Why don't you always drop it? It's a wild Sophie. I got Sophie. Let's go and get the word. Whatever it is, I forgot. Move away from obstacle. No. Let's get the kitty. I need Kitty. Come on, Kitty. Get out. Yes, that's the perfect picture. Hey, I'm a beginner photographer. I'm a floor. Yes, I'm a floor. Right, I'm going to just drop my camera on the floor here. Scan. This is Sophie. No, you go on the floor, Lily. Scan her. Go into my thing. Go to animals in... No, that's not animals in the shelter. We just get Kitty. Let's create Kitty and add. Kitty, Kitty, Kitty. This is Kitty. Kitty was the one doing the most stretch. Create an ad for Kitty. create an ad. Sophie. Right, let's wait for somebody to take the cats, shall we? Ooh, this is for Kitty. So let's open his info, Kitty's info. Let's send an employee, but please forgive pets for that mischievous. Okay, that's good. 1, lonely householders. This guy, he's a lonely householder, and she does not like lonely householders. And she likes big houses as well, look. Big house. So he has a small house. So we're just going to discard him because he's not the right one. Right, another kitty here. Let's search it. Her desired traits. Have time. Yes. Okay, let's just wait for 4 seconds. Because we need to get Kitty a home. Sadly, not a big house. She isn't alone. But she has dogs in the house as well. With a small house. She does have a garden and she has time, but she's just missing that one last thing.
A big house.
Should we just do it? Easily bored.
No, Jack, you can't.
Let's go back for this one. Oh, we have another one here.
Oh, for Sophie. Let's go for Sophie.
No, we need to kind of do stuff, Isla.
See, Sophie.
Let's see.
What about people for Sophie?
Okay. I think this could be the one. Nope. It's
Nope.
not the one.
Not the one.
Discard. Because it's a one person. It's just this person, isn't it? It has to be this person. Even though she has a small house, she's not lonely. So she's fine. Right, Kitty. Right,
Let's go.
Let's go and get Kitty delivered, I guess. Kitty!
Kitty.
The homeowner! Hello, Kitty. You look so happy.
And
Beep,
you look
beep.
so fat.
What do you want to say fat one more time to her? Let's go and get a new person, shall we? Let's go and get Sophie out of here.
Yeah, let's get Sophie out.
It was
Let's
close.
get Sophie
It was
home.
close. She had most of the traits. They had most of the traits. That's good, though. They had most of the traits. So, it was a good one. Got a lot of repetition. Right, let's see. Who's here for Sophie? We got this one. We only have a couple for Sophie. Let me open Sophie. Oh, my. Well, no dogs, no cat. Oh, my. This is going to be hard. Alright, let's read this. Dogs. So this one I'm going to have to discard because they have dogs and we need the best conditions for our kitty here.
Yeah, we don't.
So it's going to be this one, I think. But we're just going to check in case we get
Yeah,
some
we
more.
have to check.
Well, I thought the dog was the thing. Yeah. This is not the fat one. Fat one left just a second ago. So she's silly. Anything on here that's silly. She's funny, happy, likes children. No dogs, no cats. Small house. Want a big house, but I can't really do that. Kids in the house. Have time. She doesn't have a garden. Yeah. Should I match it?
No.
This is the only one to match anyway, so I'm gonna have to match it. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It was the only one. She's gonna arrive soon. Oh, say goodbye to Sophie, Isla.
Bye, Sophie.
Chuck her in.
Yeah.
Right, let's let her go and then.
Bye.
Okay, let's see. It was yes, that was good. That was good. I knew it was. Oh, what silly? It was good, it was good, it was good, it was good. Right, this will be the end of the video. I will see you next time.
Bye.